Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2022 Wave 5. We have Corey Lajoie's Built 7 car. Now on the back you can get other cars from the NASCAR Authentics Wave 5. Let's get Corey Lajoie out of the box. So here's the sticker. We have his number 7, the Built logo, his name, and Spire Motorsports, which is a new team that joined NASCAR in 2021. So here's Corey Lajoie's car. So Corey Lajoie's 7 Built car, I think he drove this car back in 2021, I think for maybe like a few races. Basically, it has a blue scheme with some black to it. Obviously, the logo, built.com. The number 7 Spire Motorsports, number 7. And on the top is basically black, obviously Built, the 2 blue lines. And on here, all you just got are the 3 lines that are from the Built logo and just the B from it. I think Corey Lajoie was sponsoring an energy bar company. So obviously the blue line just goes through right here. It actually ends in the back, where the back is just completely black. Built.com. Number 7. Well, yeah, I mean the number 7 font. Let's take a 360 look of Corey Lajoie. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.